सांग्यावेल्या वादग्रस्त वाणी एग्रोचेर एक्टिविस्टांची नजर पडल्या. डिस्टिलरीक दिल्ली NOC फाटी घेवची म्हूण गोवा फाउंडेशनान पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाक बरयलां. म्हयन्याक 26.5 लिटर बियर करपी वाणी एग्रो दिसाक 315 किलोलिटर एफ्लुएंट कशी सोडटली काय म्हूण गोवा फाउंडेशनाचो प्रस्न. प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्टांत आसा म्हयन्याक 20,000 किलोलिटर बियर प्रोडक्शन.
वाणी एग्रो माड मारले म्हणून पयलींसावन वादान. ही बियर फॅक्टरी आमडे घालपाक शेकड्यांनी माड मारले म्हणून विशय गोंयभर गाजलो. ते माड मारूंक ट्री प्रोटेक्शन कायदो बदल्लो म्हणून आनीक बोवाळ. आतां त्या प्लांटाचेर गोवा फाउंडेशनाची नजर पडल्या. प्लांटाची NOC फाटी घेवची म्हणून गोवा फाउंडेशन मागता. कारण वाणी एग्रोन NOC मागतना प्रोडक्शन कमी आनी एफ्लुएंट हिसपा भायर दाखयला.
How you can produce 390 kiloliters of water, wastewater, and why you require capacity 1/3 in excess of that also. So we said that this is not proper. You withdraw the clearance because this consent which is given is under the Air and Water Act. These are statutory laws. Means that it is a legal permission. You cannot give a legal permission which is wrong on the face of it.
प्रुडंटाक मेळ्ळ्या त्या म्हायती प्रमाण प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्टान वर्साक 2.5 लाख किलोलिटर बियर उत्पादन म्हणला. म्हणजे म्हयन्याक 20,000 किलोलिटर बियर प्रोडक्शन. बोर्डाचे कन्सेंटान बरयला तशें म्हयन्याक 26.5 लिटर न्ही. कन्सेंटाची ही गजाल प्रुडंटान पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाक विचारली. बोर्ड म्हणटा एक वेळ टायपिंग एरर आसूं येता, ते बदलप शक्य आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी.
म्हादय बोट घेवन भारतीय नौदळाची बायलांची टीम मंगळारा मॉरिशसाक वचपाक भायर सरली. 2 म्हयने दर्याची भोंवडी करून जुलयांत ती परत येवपाची. भारताच्या बायलांची ही अशे तरेची पयलीच भोंवडी. सागरी परिक्रमाक लागून म्हादय ही गिनीस वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्डांत नोंद जाल्ली बोट. टिमीक फ्लॅग ऑफ करपाक नौदळाचे अधिकारी वेरें जेटीर आयिल्ले.
Now the Madai is actually in the Guinness Book of Records for 2 reasons. One is it has gone around the world circumnavigation on 2 occasions, and this particular boat now is poised to take an all-women's crew, which is going to happen for the very first time. They're sailing to Mauritius. The challenge is they're going before the monsoon starts, and they'll come back with the southwest monsoon, which is going to be very rough. And that is going to be the acid test. Once they finish with that acid test, we are looking at them going around the world on a circumnavigation voyage. They'll be coming back sometime they will come by July.
या बोटीत सागरी भोंवडेक लागपी सगळे गजाली आणि मिशनरी आसात.
There are enough gadgets on board this particular boat. We have got 3-4 different communication lines. We have got the broadband terminal on board, the Inmarsat Charlie, the MMB, and constantly there is a process called polling through which every 6 hours or 12 hours we will keep getting their updates back at Delhi and at our Bombay Maritime Operations Center. So we will be constantly monitoring them. We have also provided them a very good tool for monitoring the weather through on voyage software, and we will be also talking to them and guiding them in case they desire for any help in terms of navigating and navigating the cyclones in case they come up.
इंडियन नेव्ही 2017 खंय जमीन, उदक आणि हवेत एक्सक्लुसिव्ह भोंवडी करपाची आसा.
Next year, 2017, Indian Navy has decided that we are going to go in adventure activity in all 3 dimensions. We are looking at sending our team to Mount Everest. Then we are looking at our team going around the globe in this Madai boat that is over sea, and in the air we are looking at Vayu Parikrama next year.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.
पाव आनी बेकरी ब्रेडांनी कॅन्सर आनी थायरॉयडाची दुयेंसां जावपा सारकी कॅमिकल्स आसतात म्हणून CSE रिपोर्टा वयल्यान बोवाळ पडला. फूड रेग्युलेटर FSSAI म्हणटा ब्रेडांतले पोटॅशियम ब्रोमेटाक लागून हो विशय आयला. बेकरी प्रॉडक्टांनी आतां तांचेर बंदी घाल्या. ब्रँडेड ब्रेड, पिझ्झा, बर्गराची 38 सॅम्पलां घेतिल्ली. तातूंतले 84% सॅम्पलांनी पोटॅशियम ब्रोमेट मेळिल्लें.
देखिए पैकेज फूड्स में ये फूड एडिटिव्स पड़ना बड़ी आम बात है. ब्रेड भी एक ऐसी कमोडिटी है जिसमें फूड एडिटिव्स पड़ते हैं और हमारी स्टडी बेसिकली यही है कि उसमें 2 केमिकल्स हैं फूड एडिटिव के तौर पे जो कि यूज किए जाते हैं. तो हमने 38 सैंपल्स मार्केट से रैंडमली सिलेक्ट किए, उनकी टेस्टिंग की और 84% में हमारा जो टेस्ट था वो पॉजिटिव निकला. सो बेसिकली इट्स अ स्टडी टू हाईलाइट टू द गवर्नमेंट कि ये 2 केमिकल्स जो हैं ये हार्मफुल हैं.
After the ban that's come on potassium bromate, there's a worry that is it safe to consume bread today?
It is absolutely safe to have bread today. In fact, there is no need for any panic whatsoever. There is a little concern about potassium bromate, and that concern was recognized in the scientific panel when it's met a few months ago. And after careful deliberation, as a matter of abundant precaution, we have decided on the basis of recommendation of the scientific panel to remove it from the list of permissible additives in bakery products and bread.
And when will this start reflecting in products? And the products that are currently available, are they safe to consume? Because that's the immediate worry.
Yes, they are absolutely safe to consume because, as I mentioned, that there is very limited evidence that it causes cancer. But because we wanted to be very careful, we have decided it, and this will take effect, in future, in very near future.
घेऊ एक विराम.